everyone, Rachel Willow here. So with Thanksgiving happening tomorrow, I figured I would show you guys a quick recipe just in case you don't have anything ready to go to bring with you. So what I'm gonna show you guys today is a no-bake pumpkin pie recipe. So I went to the grocery store and I was able to get gluten-free, pre-made graham cracker crusts, and the recipe calls for 2, so it makes 2 pies, which is great. I know this year a lot of people aren't doing larger gatherings, so I'm actually going to be giving our second pie to some family that we're not going to see this year as just a little nice reminder of how thankful we are even though we're not going to be together. So I've got the 2 pies, and then in here is the bottom layer. So it is 8 ounces of cream cheese and then 1 container of Cool Whip. So what I'll be doing is dividing that between the 2 pies, and then for the pumpkin filling, which will go on top of that, this is a box of Jello instant vanilla pudding, a cup of milk, 1 can of pumpkin, then we've got 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Mix that all up, and that is the middle. And then the last thing that you'll do for the top layer is you'll take more Cool Whip, because I mean it's delicious and why not, and put that on top. And that's that. You put it in the fridge for an hour and you're good to serve. So I hope you guys enjoy this really quick and easy recipe, and I hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Bye.